How to use Claude Cowork for non-coders. Claude isn't just for coding anymore. Use the new Cowork agent to automate your entire office workflow, from the organization to deep research. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Cowork in Claude step by step. Specifically for non-coders, that means that no technical setup and no programming and no complicated tools are involved. Just simple actions you can follow to start automating your daily tasks. By the end of this video, you will learn and know how to install Cowork, connect it to your everyday tools, and use it to save hours of work every single week. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly understand what Cowork actually is. Cowork is like a smart assistant that works alongside you in your browser. Instead of just answering questions, it can actually help you complete tasks like organizing files, summarizing your documents, and researching topics, and even drafting emails. Think of it like a research assistant or a task manager, just a writing assistant, and a workflow automation tool, all combined into one simple interface. Now let's get started with the setup, and don't worry, this is very beginner friendly. Now first, we're simply going to open up our browser, go over to our browser extensions, and we're going to click on Browse Extensions, or just opening up the Chrome Web Store. You can go over to any web browser you're using and just go over to their extensions. Now here you're going to type in Claude Cowork or simply Claude. And you're simply going to click on Claude once it appears and simply add to Chrome and wait for the installation. And once Claude is directly added into our extensions, it's going to ask us to sign in to our Claude account. And once that is there, we're simply going to click on Authorize, go over the settings, and that is it. That's it. No coding, no technical setup, and you are ready to go. Now, when you do open Cowork, you're going to see a clean and simple workflow. If you simply go over and try with a demo, or if you click on this Claude. Now, once we have Claude added to our Chrome, here's what you need to know. First is we're just going to see a basic prompt box where you can type in your prompts. You can simply even ask it to summarize a certain page that you just opened. It could be a doc file or just simply the notes that you took. And then it also comes with a task panel if you go over. Now you can also create tasks from Claude directly, and Claude just shows what Cowork is currently doing. And then you can also access your history from settings right here, and you can keep track of all your previous tasks. You also are provided with integrations. You can connect Cowork to tools you already use. Now the best part is that you don't need to learn anything complex, you just tell it what you want in plain English. To make Cowork truly powerful, you need to connect it to tools you already use. You can simply even go over to the Claude settings, and once you're in there, you can find your way through integrations or just permissions. Now, to make Cowork truly powerful, you need to connect it to tools that you already use. You can find your ways through integrations in the settings and connect things like Google Drive for files and documents. You can go over with Gmail, Notion for your notes and organization. Even if you go to the Claude app by itself, you're going to find your way to your settings. You're going to click on this, go over to settings, and then you're going to see connectors, and right here you can connect different applications. So you get the best of the connected applications as well, and then you can apply code directly on it. This allows Cowork to actually access your data and platform tasks for you instead of just giving suggestions. For example, you can ask it to organize your Google Drive folders or summarize unread emails. Also, you can ask it to turn your notes into a report or just give you a summary of meeting notes. Now let's simply test it out if it's still working. We're simply going to type in hello to see if it responds like a normal AI tool. And it does. It responds like any other AI tool, but it is more advanced, and this is going to do our work for us. So all you have to do is move your cursor a couple times, and that's it. It is going to perform the rest of the work for you without you even moving the cursor. Now you can also type in a simple prompt like organize my Google Drive into folders by category, and Cowork will scan your files. It's going to group similar documents and suggest or create your folders for you, and then move your files automatically. This is perfect if your files are really messy or are organized. Instead of spending hours doing it manually, Cowork can handle it in just a few minutes. Now, one of the most powerful features is research automation. Let's say you need to research a topic. Instead of opening multiple tabs, you can just type in research about the specific topic and give me a summary with key points. That way, you're also learning and you get your report ready. Cowork will most probably gather information, summarize it clearly, and highlight important insights. You can even ask follow-up prompts like make it simpler or add examples or turn this into a script. This is incredibly useful for students, content creators, and professionals. Now, Cowork can also handle your writing tasks. For example, you can say write a professional email reply or turn these notes into a report, and it will generate content instantly for you, and you can refine it with follow-up instructions like asking Cowork to make it shorter or adding bullet points. This saves a huge amount of time, especially if you write frequently or if you just fast type and you want the content to be arranged. You can also use Cowork to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can just ask it to organize new files weekly or give you a report or insights at the end of the week over the work that you did in your doc files, or it can set up meetings for you in your calendar if you connected, and you can just ask it for summarized emails every morning. And Cowork can remember these instructions and perform them regularly, turning it into your personal productivity system. You can also add in your tasks and create a daily task list for your notes. Now let's talk about beginner mistakes that you need to avoid, especially if you're using Claude as an extension for the first time. A common mistake is being too vague with prompts. Instead of saying help me, try something like summarize this document in 5 points. You need to be clear and specific on how you want the direction of the work to actually go. Another mistake is expecting perfection instantly. Cowork works best when you define your prompts step by step. You're not going to perform great overnight. You need to scale up gradually, start small, and then you can scale up big. Also, don't skip integrations. If you don't connect your tools, Cowork won't be able to automate much. It's only going to work in your search engine, and you may get disappointed if you don't use its best features. Now, here are some pro tips for the best results you can get with Claude Cowork. Start with small tasks first, like summarizing or organizing, before moving to bigger automations. Also, be specific with your instructions. The clearer your request is, the better the result. And use follow-up prompts to improve outputs instead of starting over. And most importantly, treat Cowork like a teammate. You're going to guide it, and it is going to do the heavy work for you. It is just going to perform all of the work under your commands. It's not going to create commands and then perform them on its own. So you're going to treat it like an assistant, not depend on it entirely. Claude Cowork is one of the easiest ways for non-coders to start using AI for real productivity. You don't need any technical skills, you just need to know how to ask the right questions and connect your tools. From organizing files to researching topics and automating daily work, Cowork can completely change how you manage your time and tasks. And that's how you can use Claude Cowork as a complete beginner without any coding, from installing the extension to actually using it and automating your daily workflow. You now have everything you need to start saving time and working smarter with AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more automation and easy AI tools, productivity tools, and automation ideas. And if there's another tool you want me to break down step by step, let me know in the comments below, or comment your experiences in the comment box below. If you have any questions and queries, also comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.